In this video, we are going to briefly explain and show how to create automated content repurposing systems in Poppy AI. Now, this is a bit complicated, but we're going to make it simplified. So we need a few things here. We need a text box where we need to have clear instructions to follow, meaning we need to have all the automated content voice the same. So this is going to be our voice, right, on the text box. Analyze the transcript inside the connected hero intake, which is this group. Follow these instructions strictly. So we have the breakdown, the gaps, the rewrites, and then format output text blocks clearly so I can drag them straight into my production group. Now, connect this to the chat boxes here. So you're gonna have more than one because if you're gonna create content, you might have long form. This can be for long form. This could be for short form, maybe TikTok, YouTube Shorts, etc. And then you have your hero intake, pretty much where you dump all the media. So documents, videos, Google Docs, PDFs, everything, right? And then all you need to do is prompt. So for example, this is going to be our this is our long form, right? This is for long form. There we go. And this is going to be short form, right? There you go. So with that said, we know that we need to prompt this long form for long form, meaning I'm going to say, I want you to follow the voice on the text the way I want you to and create a very expansive or in-depth article about the contents of the hero intake, right? And that's what it's going to do. When it comes to short form, same thing. I want you to follow the voice that's connected here on our text and create 10 different scripts for 10 different clips regarding the contents of the hero intake, right? And after that, all we need to do is we need just to copy that into a new text. So press that, or just very easy, just copy paste whatever text, whatever script that whatever chatbot or chat box you are using on the right side, like so, right? And that's pretty much how you do it. It's very it's not fully automated because the only thing you need to do is just change this out to whatever source material you're using, and it's going to pretty much do everything uniform wise, the same thing over and over and over again. So with that said, if you are interested in trying out Poppy.ai, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link that we have provided on the description below. And that's it, pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.